Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can see what like your future baby will look like with your partner. It's just like a fun template that CapCut has. You're just going to select template here and just search couple baby or stuff like that, sorry. And just select the template. Select use template and select the images of you and your partner. Then I'm just going to select preview, and it's going to basically merge both of the photos together to create an image of a baby, and you're just going to, a kid essentially, and you're just going to select export. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!